racing shells are all over the place here. One-man rowing shells. I'm glad they're not out today. Maybe a little rough for them. There's the Hobie Mirage waiting on me. All right, let's give her a launch. Okay. Rudder down, pedals in. All right. Rudder down. Okay. Me on board. Almost. Almost. Yeah. Water's up high. Wind's not too bad right now. Well, this feels good. Ought to make a few casts around here. With the rattle trap, chrome and blue. Okay. Okay, that's the first of many. Head right into the wind here. There we go. Man, that feels like fish. I guess it was that eelgrass out there. No? What's going on here? No, I guess it's just grass. Wow. Oh well. Got me thinking about it in a way. That's definitely grass. Beauty of the pedal drive system, being able to keep both hands on the rod and reel while you move into the wind. Water temperature is 80 degrees. Wow. Four feet deep here. Just had to put some water on my transducer. I've never been up in this cove. What time is it? 2:37. This is a nice little gut. Battery's gone on my depth finder, so aside from using the old-fashioned method, which I will do, I shall take my paddle and thrust it. Lord, I think I hit bottom, but yeah, it's mucky, of course. It's about 6 feet though. Yeah. Yes, This is a hollow body frog that I'm using. Okay, I'll turn around. Bruce, this is where I could use your back 'em up kayak. Yeah, I'll head back out. Make a cast right up here on the left before I turn my camera off. There was something that broke on the water there. Okay. Well, I got one on finally. Yeah, that's a keeper too. Pretty well hooked, as you might expect from 3 treble hooks on a jerk bait. Yeah. 1 pound, 14 ounces. 1 pound, 15 ounces. Yeah. 1 pound, 15 ounces. Almost 2 pounds. There's a little dink. That's what attracted me to this place. These little fish were chasing shad. So we're gonna have to let this one go. Okay. That's the bewitching hour, Steve. 3 o'clock. 3:41 actually.